This is what time it is? 8:25 in the morning. 8:25 in the morning. See the yard. Why? Jamaica can remind you how far and stressful. We're not cuss far. This is Jamaica in December, well in January. Most places are cold overseas. Oh wait, there, what am I? No. Anybody knows what this is? What is this? What? Shakira, they're far and too long. She don't remember. You don't remember what this is?
Use rock stone and open it.
Eat the inside, no true? Yeah. That's why I ask where your name come. You know, you used to name me. And they have a sweet smell to them. See? Yeah.
Mommy, I can see a bug coming over here.
I know, man. Yeah, but this. Sophia, sir?
Yes.
You never carry no backup battery?
We carry two on the client. Hello, miss. You need it phone? Let me see if you can put your hand first and let me see. We have no instruction, but
Bathing, I go on. God, sun is kissing me. Somebody
a bottle in the water, Papa.
I can see you. I can see
full of water.
Really coming up. look! Hey,
What's
look!
up, mommy?
Wait, what? Hey, look!
Oh, well.
Dad!
We're trying to record.
Actually, it's not that yeah. Because I got that locked out of the water.
Huh?
Yeah, we did! Oh my God!
We don't have nothing done this one. These shoes there. Where? Oh.
I can see that.
Yeah, there's some rocks there.
Oh, I can see a rock. I do not want to see a rock. Guys, there's a lot of sharks. Daddy, those are birds over there.
The Jamaica Tourism Board does not have to pay me. I can promote Jamaica for myself because as a Jamaican, I don't think nobody needs to pay me to promote that. So listen, you see when we're there foreign, I'm telling you, Jamaica is a decompress. Okay? You don't have to have no whole heap of money. You don't have to be all chasing in the rat race and depend the, you know, the hamster wheel. This is Melania at 8 o'clock in the morning. Me, mommy?
Yeah.
This is Kai at 8 in the morning. Oi! Then that me say. So where different? This is 8 in the morning.
Hi.
All winter long. All New Year's. Alright, Melania, you can't stand up. Nobody take over me.
Yeah.
Look. I had to show it to y'all. See them mother there? We have to stand up somewhere up there, so. In the white. Auntie Cutie is right there. People live here. Okay, this I don't know, all inclusive. That's another thing. People live here. This is where people live. Our people host them there. These people, and these are not Jamaican people who are millions and millions of dollars and rich and famous. This is regular Jamaican people who live here. Them hosts are right across the street. They walk over here, they swim. Clean beach, pretty sand, soft sand, and you can see to the bottom of the water. Not even in Florida. In Florida, we can't even see to the bottom of the water, no matter how pretty the beach is. Plus, I tell them. So I say, it's 8 in the morning. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Oi, me cry, see. When it's time to take a plane, go back. Oh gosh. Why? Watch the beach run. Let me show you all the beach run. Give you my surrounding areas. I don't want to drop my camera in this water.
No, Daddy.
I won't, mommy. Start out with that wall right there. Don't splash me. This camera is not waterproof.
It's not. What?
Alright, check it. Imagine this is your yard, right? Right here. And that's your back gate. Your back gate leads to the Caribbean Sea. Hold on, Kai. Hold on, Kai. Hold on, Kai. Oh, man. Kai is on me. Don't get my camera wet, guys.
Okay.
The camera is not waterproof.
Why is the camera not waterproof?
Because it's not, Melanie. You're waterproof. You can swim. Go. camera on the video.
No, I'm
Water nice. Okay, so she not coming out water unless she can wash off.
Daddy, what's that?
Huh, mommy?
What's that little thing that's... Wait for real!
Let's test the... The only thing I'm thinking about right now is how the channel is doing. SouFLoTV on YouTube. Cause you know we get up and we're doing morning thoughts every morning, and that channel has garnered a huge audience for a morning show. And there are people who actually depend on, you know, big up to the subscribers and supporters, them especially those with membership to the channel. Some people are like, yo, SouFLo, you're like my coffee in the morning, bro. On my way to work, like my happy habit. So I haven't went live since last week Friday. Today is Wednesday of this week. We went to the Vibes Cartel show. Me not know about no review on that. We'll get back to that. I went to the we're about to go to the Buju Banton and Barris Hammond show 2 days from now. And we just here enjoying Jamaica in the meantime. You know, only concerned about my morning thoughts family, but then we understand, because when you're traveling, some places internet is dodgy and spotty, and then some places you get good internet. So when we reach back at my place at Clarendon, I'll have good internet, I'll go live, I'll explain everything to everybody. In the meantime,
Another bubble.
it's 8 something in the morning. Oh, I'm in Jamaica, where are you? Where are you? This part of the video is where you leave a message in the comment section and say, it's 8 in the morning. What's the date, babe? It's 8 in the morning, the 2nd of January 2025. Where are you? Or where were you by the time you said this? Leave in the comment section. Guys trying to hide. Show them you can swim, Papa. Kai swim. Malani swim. Wifey can't swim. Well, we can't swim. Hey, boy. Alright, so I don't know if you realize it yet, right? But Jamaica, this part of Jamaica is true peace and true tranquility and relaxation, which is healthy for any human. I'm starting to feel like the more I live overseas is the more I feel like I was tricked growing up. Because when we were growing up in Jamaica, they used to tell us they're preparing us to go overseas because life is better in the United States of America. Life is better in Canada. Oh, if you get to England, life is going to be great. And we've grown up and we've gone to these places and we've lived in these places, and none of these places have anything like this. Majority of us that leave this beautiful island of Jamaica and go to these places, we end up in these places struggling. Even the ones who finally make it, they had to struggle their asses off just to finally get to a place where they actually make it. Living like this in Jamaica, my friend, really costs you almost nothing. Almost nothing. I said it 10, 11, 12 times in the video. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 in the morning, the water in Jamaica is warm in December, in January. This spot right here, This was not a planned vlog. This was not a planned video. We are driving. We were actually driving from Westmoreland to Clarendon this particular day. And I saw the spot and I was like, random pull over. And as soon as I pulled over, I always have my swimming clothes with me whenever I'm in Jamaica, or I always dress where I wear a pair of shorts everywhere. So if I see a body of water and I could jump in it, I just strip off my shirt, take off socks and shoes, and jump in, which is exactly what happened this morning. This particular morning, when I saw this piece of place, I was like, what a beautiful piece of beach with the sun coming up in the morning. And there was this Rastafarian brother who was out there exercising in the early morning. And I just thought, damn, this is freedom. This is what freedom feels like, looks like. To be able to be up and floating in the ocean weightlessly at 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning and not worried about anything else. My children are happy. They're healthy. They're playing in the sands. And there's a food place nearby. And the people who own the food place actually came out and spoke to us. I went in there first because I thought they would have been open and had some breakfast. Because in Jamaica, a lot of places wake up really early, especially the cook shops.
You think they crawl around me?
Seaweed.
I didn't see them.
And they have breakfast ready early in the morning. Saltfish and ackee with, yellow yam and green bananas. You can have your cornmeal porridge, or you can have your peanut porridge. You can have whatever the breakfast is they have. This place wasn't open yet. The chef was just getting to work. The owners were just coming into the property. And I went over there and I asked them, I said, hey, you have anything for breakfast? They said, no, we don't have anything right now, But if you stick around, we can make something for you. What is it you want? My wife said, I want some peanut porridge. I said, I want some kalaloo and saltfish with some food like green banana and these kind of stuff. Vitamins and minerals and stuff in my body early in the morning. They said, say less. And in no time, we went to swim while they cooked our food from scratch. I mean, you can't make this up. You can't buy this anywhere else. If I went to a establishment in the US and it was early in the morning, the first thing I would have heard is we're not open for business until 10 a.m. or the food will not be ready until 11, and that's that. In Jamaica, they go out of their way, right? Whether it's because they need the money or because they're just some hospitable people. Their hospitality is on another level sometimes. They're loving people. And they're like, you know what? Let me cook you up some breakfast. I can see that you're a visitor, right? I know what you're missing. A lot of these people have lived overseas themselves already. So they see us when we come to the islands. Please don't come to Jamaica thinking because you live overseas you're better than anybody in Jamaica who lives in Jamaica. Because I'm telling you right now, sometimes they look at you like poor thing. Sometimes they look at you like you need them. You need them for love. You need them for a connection to the island. You need them to feel the authentic Jamaica. You need their hospitality. You need them to provide for you all the good things so you can feel nourished and feel welcomed and all that. You're in their place. Don't go to Jamaica thinking you could show off on anybody or you're better than anybody, or because you have a few foreign dollars in your pocket that if you transfer that money into Jamaican money, it's worth a lot more than their money, so that makes you better. That's the wrong attitude to have. I learned so much on this trip. I was so humbled on this trip. I am humbled every trip. I am a humble person, period. But I am super humbled this trip. Just finding this one place right here that was so relaxing so early in the morning. I kept saying, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? You know, I see people say it on social media all the time. I'm in Jamaica, where are you? And it just came to me, this is my turn to say it. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's winter time. In Canada, it's cold as hell. So all my Canadian family, January 3rd, 4th, 5th is cold in Canada. They were having a blizzard in New York. Even Florida, that used to be warm, is freezing cold right now at this point. And here I am. It's almost 90 degrees in the morning in Jamaica. The water is warm. The water, when I stepped in this beach water, I said to myself, somebody loves me. I said it out loud. I said, God truly loves me. Somebody loves me. It must be God. You ever felt like somebody set your bath water for you, and when you stepped in, it was the right temperature? Somebody set that bath water for you with love, so it's not cold and frigid, and it's not boiling hot for you to hurt yourself. The water is just warm and nice and the right temperature. And you go in and you sink right into that water and you feel like all your stress just melts away in the water. That's how I felt in this space in Jamaica right here. Man, listen. So we went over to this place now after all that, and we went to go get some food. The food was ready after we swam. We were swimming for quite some time, probably about almost an hour we were swimming for, and while they prepared our food. The babies kept saying, why is the food taking so long, Daddy? Why is the food taking so long? And I said, baby, this is not fast food. This is food. They have to peel the green bananas and cook them. I wanted dumpling in my food. They have to mix the flour with the cornmeal and knead my dumplings. They have to shell the saltfish, take the bones out. They have to cook the callaloo and with the saltfish down in it. It takes a while to prepare the food, and that's the kind of food I wanted. It wasn't no fast food. You pull up, let me get a number 5 large, and you got that and you drive off from a drive-through window. This is really special, made to order, organic food straight from God's earth. I can't explain to you. And eating this food, your body changes. Like, you feel it immediately, the changes in your body. So we go over to get our food, and the food was ready. And lo and behold, the owner of the place is like, I know you. I watch you all the time. I've been watching you from way back when. As a matter of fact, you're the only vlogger that I'm subscribed to, because I run a business here. I don't have a lot of time for social media, and probably because you've been on YouTube for so long, you're the original, and everybody else came after. And I love your wife and your kids. And she said, this is my establishment with my husband. And I was like, wow, she and her husband owns a piece of Jamaica, a piece of paradise. She's like living my dream. I would pack up and leave America right now if I had a business establishment like this in Jamaica. This is a beachfront establishment that is so beautifully put together. This stuff like this is worth a lot of money, a lot of money. This is why I say people can't just come here and just show off on anybody, because most of us that are coming here own nothing like this. But you brag like, yeah, me live a foreign, but you don't own nothing like this. And if you should translate this into US dollars, you probably don't have that type of money. But anyways, it's not about money, right? It's about this experience we had. It's about me showing Jamaicans overseas who have not been back in a while what they're missing, or those who been back in a while but been chilling, reminding them that it's time to get back, or those who have never been to the island, showing them what is there for them to get. I'm not a tourist resort kind of person. Nothing against the tourism industry. They're booming, they're doing their thing, they're creating jobs for a lot of people, families are being fed, etc. But I feel like the real authentic Jamaica is outside of a tourist resort. I don't want to go to a beach where I see a whole bunch of Americans on the beach. I live in the United States of America most months out of every year. And I go to the beaches in Florida, and there are a lot of Americans there naturally because this is where we all live. So I don't want to take a plane and fly to Jamaica to be surrounded by the same people, the same attitudes, the same everything, when I can be surrounded by. The view here is super. Watch our view here. That eat from that view here, right? Spin around the camera. Watch the view. Oh. Alright, now I get my food in now. You can't see.
Like porridge. Good for you.
Yeah, but I don't like how.
Pull it closer to you, mommy.
This one is nice.
Pull it closer to you.
That's fine.
Jamaica and Jamaicans and feel like I'm in Jamaica. It's just like if I go to Canada or if I go to the UK or if I go to Nicaragua or Venezuela or Dominican Republic, I want to be surrounded by the locals and I want to be surrounded by authentic, real, that culture. You understand? So it's nothing against being around Americans. I love America. I live here. I got a lot of great stuff going on in America for me, for my children, for my family. But when it comes to Jamaica and I'm there, I want to be at the beaches where very few people go. Very few people know about these spots. And this was one of them. I encourage you when you're in Jamaica to truly explore the island. If you're staying at an all-inclusive, that's fine. But I don't think you're going to get Jamaica inside of a all-inclusive. You're still going to get an experience, but the real authentic Jamaican experience in seeing the true beauty of this island is outside of a resort. You know, I've been rambling on for a minute. I'll keep on rambling on. Keep watching the beautiful scenery. Keep listening to what's being said in the video. I taped a lot of this video with no sound on my microphone, and I thought my microphone was on. Guys, this is to tell you how relaxed I was, how happy I was, and caught up in the moment I was. I wasn't even on point. I didn't even remember to turn on the microphone when I was recording. I was so excited, low key, I picked up the camera and I just started recording, and I was like, over here we have this and over here we have that. And when I went to go edit the video, I realized there was no there was no sound. So now I'm doing this voiceover, trying to fill the gaps of the video where there was no sound. So bear with me and enjoy the ride. All right.
I have mine too. Very good.
Alright,
Is
here.
that good?
Here.
Who's the pepper?
His.
Me. Ooh, nice pepper. Thank you. For sure.
Mommy.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave this here.
Okay,
So you guys finish.
You
Yes.
want this eye?
I want you to take out the straws. I bring for your straws.
Best Auntie Cutie carry some of my pepper with me. I made pepper with everything.
We not Italian, tell us woman. We can't only this up.
1, 2. Pagkamashu. Mommy, where are those chopsticks for?
The straw. Here, you want one?
Thank
Here.
you.
Thank you. Your papa.
Yummy G.
Yeah.
Mama,
Alright, so.
did you wipe the stuff off, Mommy?
Wipe what?
Where's the Auntie Cutie?
Yes, I did. I did, mommy. I wiped it off. Yeah, me take. See there. No.
You never got in a restaurant and door? First time for everything. Shakira, I might have to drive. I'm proud out.
It's time to do like this banana bread.
Let me think about it.
It's good for you anyway.
3, 4, 5, 6. Actually,
Good for your same way now. Iron in it. Knock it color up before.
I'll show me drink too.
Mama,
Yes, mommy.
there's an umbrella there. What's the umbrella for?
To protect you from the sun.
We had an umbrella over here too.
We're not in the sun.
Huh?
We're not in the sun.
Where we at?
In the shade.
Huh?
In the shade.
So we will get hot. But that's the side. And this is yeah, it's hot. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Kai, what's up?
Alright, so. I never know if you high maneuver him. I said they didn't know how to high maneuver him. No, you have to go behind of them and press their belly hard, and then it will fly up.
Yeah.
Mommy, these bottles look like the ones that we were just using.
Yeah, they're the same thing.
Mommy,
Yes, mommy.
we gotta eat before clearing my clothes.
We gotta eat before what?
What's
We
that
gotta
one?
eat before clearing my clothes.
Clarendon clothes.
But like, that is our house.
Keep on the clarinet.
Clarendon
That's
to
the
me,
house
though.
that we go into. That's our house. Ever. Mama,
So what did they with Adrian now?
Him brother.
Soji?
Yes.
You don't pay attention to him, but him mother tell him to pay attention. And Eddie will soon come back out like 2 o'clock.
Mommy, the beef is so.
Sometimes Chris come here.
But make sure Molly doesn't get
I'm
like
not going to catch it again.
that. Beef is so.
Yeah.
Aaron.
Alright, so we're done eat now. And let me see, we've been here since 8, right?
You're trying to step on a brick.
Yeah, we swim
Step
and 8.
Step also.
And now we're about to go jump on the road again. Beautiful scenery. That place, sir. Right, so. Get there. Get there. Get there. Right there. If you're ever in Jamaica, man, I'm telling you, take the family, come this way. Yeah? Alright.
We broke the back. Yay, yay. We broke the back. I broke my back.
Hi, Munchie.
Hi.
Hi, Papa. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Step
Hi,
Alright.
Cutie.
break the business back.
Nigga, you have official.
I'm officially setting. Better keep me up. Yo, I ate some food just now. Listen, that was a healthy portion. My belly is out this world now. So now if I go drive and stay awake, might be a problem. You know, sir, me sound relaxed and everything. Me no bun no spliff or nothing, you know. Me just feel pressureless. I think floating in that water did a good job. Like take off all the compression off of your joints and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. To lay in that water and just float and be like, yeah, man. Well, alright. So get ready for the bill now. And when once the bill gets here, we're out of here. That's it. This is my view though. That's inside. For those who are going to access them, have a bar, fully stocked. Dining. And the lookout from here. Wanna did find the bathroom?
Yeah. I think you just find the bathroom.
Yes. Just go straight on the other by your left.
Your car, Malani? Okay.
The car up in there. Just chill. No, you're up here. You just put on the clothes and something. One time.
If you're sitting and dining here, this is what you're gonna get. That's your view. Remember I told you we went swimming already? Yeah, because you can actually swim right here. That's where we were swimming just now, right? That's all. So I can dine here, swim here, everything. Wifey and baby girl in the bathroom right now. Them are changing them clothes and get ready to come out. And then we're gonna jump on the road and head to Clarendon next. But it's a spectacular view. And I tell you, this is my kind of place. This is it. You know what's crazy? What's crazy is every time we come to Jamaica, you see, you find a new piece of place to fall in love with. That's crazy. Yeah, there's so many different places to fall in love with. But I think I find one next new one. And I try that so. Alright. So Come, Papa. Alright, so on our way out, I'll give you the name one more time. Alright, that's all. That's Blue. Get there. And that's what it look like on the way out. You ready, Auntie Cutie?
I'm not ready.
Alright. I'm ready. I know Shakira on there though. She'll be there. Literally saved the best for last and didn't know this was here like this. Check the view. A whole heap of lookout points there. And like I said before, for this place you can dine all upstairs. So you can see the upstairs dining right there. Downstairs there. Come out and swim there. Beach. Soft sand beach too. Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm coming into the yard. Good. Yeah. Back out here. But I'm dropping on to Cutie.